Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And don't you agree that the man in your life deserves a easy to use and good for him skincare routine? Those are reasons that we got this skincare kit for my husband from Talent. Since using it on a consistent basis, we've noticed that my husband's skin has smoothed out, he's getting less breakouts, and he's just looking awesome. Having something that is easy and quick to use is a definite plus because my husband has a really hard time sticking to a skincare routine that takes more than a couple of minutes. My husband has combination skin. Sometimes he gets dry patches, other times he gets breakouts from oily patches, and this skincare is good for all types of skin. My husband uses the cleanser twice a day. It's foaming, hydrating, but doesn't dry out your skin. A couple times a week, he uses the exfoliator to get rid of those nasty dead skin cells and help his skin to really absorb in the serum and the moisturizer. The serum is not sticky, it absorbs quickly, and it's really good for anti-aging properties, and we've even seen how my husband's fine lines have started to smooth out. The moisturizer is also non-greasy and absorbs quickly. So don't hold your man back from getting the best skin he possibly can. You're gonna love this 90-day supply of skincare products from Talent, and that's our point of view.